Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the first time you come into my channel and you see me, so yeah, it's gonna be a little bit new today. As you can see, I attempted to do a makeup, and it's inspired by Doja Cat, and today we're gonna be making this beautiful queen right here. I'm so proud of this doll. She came out so good, and if you want to see how I made her, just keep on watching. And I'm excited because I'm so proud of this doll, y'all. So we're gonna be redoing the look that she had in the Paris Fashion Week, with the white paint all over her face, the white fur coat, the white crop top, and the white skirt. This look was just gorgeous. So to make Doja Cat, we're gonna be using a Yasmin head, and the mold is a closed mouth mold. And what we're gonna be doing is actually spray the entire head with MSE, which will make the head super duper fragile. And yeah, I was stressed out while making this because with MSE everything can go wrong in a second. For Doja Cat's eyes, I decided to follow her eye shape, so she had very round eyes with super long lashes, and there's some white showing under the irises, so that's what I'm gonna try to do on the doll. And for once, I think the eyes are getting more and more even, and I'm getting more and more proud of myself because I can see the differences. I can see it. Look at her. She is already so cute. She's beautiful. So here you can see me working on the white parts of her eyes, you know, as usual. White acrylic paint mixed with some water to make the texture looks more flat. And I did so many layers I can't even count, but it looks nice. I could have added more layers to make the white whiter, but I think I did just fine. I'm saying sorry right now because I had no idea that the camera wasn't recording, so my bad. The part when I applied the shimmery eyeshadow, I couldn't film it, and you can see me doing this on the Aliyah Repaint video. It's the exact same technique that I did here. Now I'm working on the black liner and lashes, and I was so stressed out that I had to cut the camera dead ass just so I could work on the bottom lashes, because one thing about me is that I'm super scared of working on bottom lashes. I am so scared of that. For her lips were a reddish nude tone. It was actually possible to make that in a doll form, but with the layers it just went way darker than I intended it to be, but it still looks gorgeous and true to the lips that Doja Cat had, so it's just fine. And I actually loved how it looks at the hand. So yeah, I really am loving the way my lips are looking currently. I'm finally learning how to rework on new shapes and stuff, so I'm very proud of myself with that. So before y'all call me ghetto, what I did here was actually applying tape all the way up to her creases, and then I used a paintbrush and some pastels. I used some brown and a tiny bit of black, and then I started to blend it all out so it will look like a nice cut crease, but still very natural, because her eyeshadow on Doja Cat was very natural, but you can tell that she has makeup, if you get what I mean. Here is the hardest part. I had to take the white pencil, take a picture of Doja Cat, put it right next to me, get as much angles as I could of her head, of her bald head, and I just had to draw, make sure everything was looking right, everything was looking fine, and I think I did it in such a rapid way, like that. I did it so fast. I can't even understand how I made this so fast, like, and it was the hardest part of all the repaints. And I think the shape is really true to the original, so I'm proud of myself with that. And then I had to paint it, and I am sorry once again, I couldn't film the entire painting process of the head because first it took me like an hour and a half, and I didn't have that much space in my camera to be filming the entire thing, so I'm very sorry for that. She really looks stunning. I really love what I did here. I'm so proud of how she's looking, and yeah, that's one of my best repaints so far. I'm so proud of her. So I realized I didn't film her outfit, so this is how her outfit looks, and it's not secured in the back for now, but I will be. But yeah, simple. It took me 5 minutes, and yeah, I really am in love with this doll. Like, she is delicious. For the picture, I just wanted everything to look right and nice and white, so I did a very simple, very simple photo shoot, and you can see it in the speed editing process. So for her piercings on her ears, I will be making a new video for that. I'll be doing a tutorial because I didn't want the video to be too long, and honestly I forgot to film this part. So I will be making an entirely new video for that. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up. Make sure to share this video with your friends, with your family. You can follow me on Instagram at MonsterLol. You can follow me on TikTok at MonsterLol too. And on my Twitter, everything is at MonsterLol. And yeah, I will be trying to make more repaint videos. So if you want to see all of this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.